If you want to factory reset your Google Pixel 10 Pro with buttons, then here's what you need to do. So first we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And we need to power off our phone. And once the phone is completely off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So press and hold both buttons, and then wait for the fast boot mode. Now over here we can use volume up and down in order to choose a different option over here. So just keep pressing one of these two buttons until you see the recovery mode, and then confirm by pressing the power button. Afterwards you will see the Google logo and then the no command screen. In this case you need to press and hold the power button, and then while holding this button press volume up. So it looks like this. There we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Over here, once again, we navigate with volume buttons, and this time we need to choose the wipe data / factory reset and confirm with the power button. Then go to factory data reset and then once again confirm. And then you should be able to erase all data on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.